Good afternoon to all. Today our topic is pixel connectivity. First we have to know about what is meant by pixel. A pixel is the smallest unit of the digital image or a graphics that can be displayed and represented on a digital display device. A pixel is a basic logical unit in a digital graphics. Pixels are combined to form a complete image, video, text, or any visible thing on a computer display. Digital image is a finite collection of discrete samples that's called as pixels of any observable object. The pixel represent a two or higher dimensional view of the object. Each pixel having its own discrete value in a finite range. A pixel value may represents the amount of visible light, infrared light, absorption of X-rays, electrons, or any other measurable value such as ultrasound wave impulses. Pixel is also known as picture element. Pix means picture and ens means element. Therefore, pixel means picture element. For example, a computer with a display resolution of 1280 by 768 will produce a maximum of 98 9,83,040 pixel on a display screen. Next one is the basic relationships between the pixel. First one, neighborhood, then adjacency, then connectivity, paths and region and boundaries are the basic relationship between the pixel. We see one by one. First one is the neighbors of the pixel. A pixel P at a coordinate xy has a four horizontal and vertical neighbors whose coordinate are given by x plus y comma y, x minus 1 comma y, x comma y plus 1 and x comma y minus 1. This set of pixels called the four neighbors of P is denoted by N4P. Each pixel is a unit distance from x comma y and some of the neighbor locations of P lie outside the digital image if xy is on the border of image. Each of them are at a unit distance from P. The four diagonal neighbors of Px, y are given by in first bracket x plus 1 comma y plus 1, in second bracket x plus 1 comma y minus 1, in third bracket x minus y comma y plus 1, and last one is x minus y comma y plus 1. This set is denoted by NDP. Means four diagonal neighbors pixel. Each of them are at Euclidean distance of 1.414 from P. The 8 neighbors of a P is denoted by N8 of 4 and the 4 neighbors are denoted by NDP or N4P. As before, some of the neighbor locations in NDP and N8P fall outside the image if x, y is on the border of the image. Some of the point in the N4, ND and N8 may fall outside the image when P lies on the border of image. The next one is the figure showing the neighbor of the pixel. First, A figure shows the four neighbors of a pixel P are its vertical and horizontal neighbors denoted by N4P. The next one, B figure, denotes 8 neighbors of a pixel P are its vertical, horizontal and 4 diagonal neighbors denoted by N8P. The figure showing the representation of ND, N4 ND, N4 pixel representation, neighbors representation. N4 means 4 neighbors, ND means diagonal neighbors, and N8 means 8 neighbors, that is N4UND. The next topic is adjacency. The two pixels are connected if they are neighbors and their gray level satisfy some specified criterion of similarity. For example, in a binary image, two pixels are connected if they are 4 neighbors and have a same value 0 or 1. Let V be the set of intensity values used to define adjacency. In a binary image, V is equal to 1 if we are referring to the adjacency of pixel with the value 1. In a grayscale image, the idea is the same, but the set V typically contains more elements. For example, in the adjacency of figure with a range of possible intensity values 0 to 55, 0 to 255, set V could be any subset of these 256 values. We consider there are 3 types of adjacency. First one is 4 adjacency, second one 8 adjacency, and last one is M adjacency. We see one by one. First one is 4 adjacency. 4 adjacency means 2 pixel P and Q with the values from V are 4 adjacent if Q is in the set N4 P. The next one is 8 adjacency. 8 adjacency means 2 pixel P and Q with the values from V are 8 adjacent if Q is in the set N8 P. And the last one is M adjacency. M adjacency is also called as mixed adjacency. It means that 2 pixel P and Q with the values from V are M adjacent if Q is in N4P or Q is in NDP and the set N4P union N4Q has no pixel whose values are from V. Mixed adjacency is a modification of 8 adjacency. It is introduced to eliminate the ambiguity that often arises when 8 adjacency is used. For example, consider the pixel arrangement as shown in figure A. For V is equal to 1, the 3 pixels at the top of figure B shows the multiple, that is ambiguous 8 adjacency as indicated by dash line. The ambiguity is removed by using M adjacency as shown in figure C. The figure A shows 4 connected if Q is in the set N4P. The figure B shows 8 connected adjacent if Q is in the set N8P. And the figure C represent M connected adjacent if Q is in a N4P or Q is in a NDP and the set is empty. Here V is the set of gray level values used to define connectivity, then 2 pixels P, Q that have values from the set V are as shown in figure. Then next one is the what is meant by connectivity or what is meant by pixel connectivity. Let S represent a subset of pixels in an image. The 2 pixels P and Q are said to be connected in S if there exists a path between them consisting entirely of pixels in S. For any pixel P in S, the set of pixels that are connected to it in S is called the connected component of S, is called as a connected component of S. If it only has a one connected component, then the set S is called as connected set. If it connect only one component, then the set S is called as a connected set. Then next one is connectivity between the pixel. It is an important concept in digital image processing. It is used for establishing boundaries of object and components of a region in an image. The two pixels are said to be connected if they are adjacent in some sense, that is a neighbor pixels of 4, 8, 4 or 8 or m adjacency is if their gray levels satisfy a specified criterion of a similarity, that is the equal intensity level, then the two pixels are said to be connected. There are three types of connectivity on the basis of adjacency. They are 4 connectivity, 8 connectivity and M connectivity. First one is 4 connectivity. 4 connectivity means 2 or more pixels are said to be 4 connected if they are 4 adjacent with each other. Then next one is 8 connectivity. 8 connectivity means 2 or more pixels are said to be 8 connected if they are 8 adjacent with each other. Then the last one is M connectivity. M connectivity means 2 or more pixels are said to be M connected if they are M adjacent with each other. Let us consider the example or the figure represent. If v having the value 1, 2, let v be the set of gray level values used to define the connectivity between or then two pixels p, q that have the values from the set VR. That is the first figure shows 4 connected adjacent if q is in the set and 4p. The next figure B figure shows the 8 connected if q is in the set and 8p, and the last figure shows the C1, that is M connected if q is in N4p or q is in NDP and the set is empty. The figure shows the adjacency and connectivity. Here the red line shows the 8 adjacent and white line shows the M adjacent. Then next one is the adjacency or connectivity. Pixel P is adjacent to pixel Q if they are connected. Two image subsets, that is S1 and S2, are adjacent if some pixel in S1 is adjacent to the some pixel in S2. They are called as S1 and S2 are said to be adjacent. Suppose, let us consider the one example, that is, suppose that an image contains k disjoint region, that is Rk, where k is equal to 1, 2 up to is equal to k, none of which touches the image border. Let Ru denote the union of all the k region and let Ruc denote the complement. Recall that the complement of the set S is the set of points are not in a S, is called as a S complement. We call all the points in Ru the foreground and all the points in the Ruc, that is a complement of Ru, the background of a image. Ru is said to be the foreground and Ru complement are said to be the background of the image. Then our next topic is paths and path length. A path from a pixel P with the coordinate x, y to the pixel Q with the coordinate s, t is a sequence of distinct pixel with the coordinate x0, y0, x1, y1, x2, y2 up to xn, yn, where x of 0, y0 is equal to x, y and xn, yn is equal to s, t. Xi, yi is adjacent to the xi minus 1, yi minus 1, where I lies between the 1 to n. Here n is the length of the path. We can define 4, 8 and m path based on the type of adjacency used. Which type of adjacency is used, according to that we are decided the path type, that is a 4, 8 or M type path. The next one is a connected component. If P and Q are the pixel of image subset S, then P is connected to a Q in S if there is a path from P to Q consisting entirely of a pixel in S. For every pixel P in S, the set of pixels in S that are connected to P is called a connected component of S. Connected component of S means for every pixel P in S, the set of pixels in S that are connected to P is called as a connected component of S. If S has only one connected component, then S is called as a connected set. It connected to the only one component, then it is called as a connected set. Then our next topic is regions and boundaries. A subset R of a pixel in an image is called a region of the image if R is connected set. The boundary of region R is the set of points that are adjacent to the point in the complement of R. Said in another way, that the border of the region is the set of pixels in the region that have at least the one background neighbor. Here again, we must specify the connectivity being used to define the adjacency. The preceding definition sometimes is referred to as the inner border of the region to distinguish it from its outer border, which is the corresponding border in the background. This distinction is important in the development of border following algorithm. Such an algorithm is usually are formulated to follow the outer boundary in order to guarantee that the result will form a closed path. For instance, the inner border of the one value region is the region itself. This border does not satisfy the definition of the closed path given earlier. On the other hand, the outer border of the region does not form a closed path around the region. This is all about the region and boundaries. Let us consider the one example again. If R happens to be an entire image, that is, which we'll recall is a rectangular set of pixels, then its boundary is defined as the set of pixels in the first and the last row and the column of image. This extra definition required because of image has no neighbor beyond its border. Normally, when we refer to a region, we are referring to the subset of an image, and any pixel in the boundary of the region that happen to coincide with the border of the image are included implicitly as the part of region boundary. Then the next one is the distance measure. Given pixel p, q, and z with the coordinate x, y, s, t and u, v respectively, the distance function d has the following property: d of pq is greater than equal to 0 if d of pq is equal to 0 if and only if p is equal to q. The next one is d of pq is equal to d of pq is only when p is equal to q. Then last one is d of pq is greater than equal to d of pq plus d of qz. The Euclidean distance between p and q is defined as dE. dE means Euclidean distance. dE represents Euclidean distance between the point p, q is equal to x minus s square plus y minus t square whole bracket raised to 1 by 2. For this distance measure, the pixel having a distance less than or equal to some value r from x, y are the points contained in a disk of radius r center at x, y. The figure shows the representation of dE pq means Euclidean distance between the point p and q. The D4 distance, that is called as a city block distance between P and Q, is defined as D4 PQ is equal to determinant of x minus s plus determinant of y minus t. In this case, the pixel having a d4 distance from x comma y is less than or equal to some value r from a diamond center at x comma y. For example, the pixel with the d4 distance is less than is equal to 2 from x comma y the center point form the following contours of a distance of a constant distance. The figure shows the representation of d4 distance. The pixel with d4 is equal to 1 are the four neighbors of x comma y. The figure represents this one. The next one is the chessboard distance. The d8 distance called the chessboard distance between P and Q is defined as d8 P comma Q is equal to maximum of magnitude of x minus s comma y minus d. In this case, the pixels with the d8 distance from x comma y is less than or equal to some value r from the square center at x comma y. The figure represents the chessboard distance between P and Q. Let us consider the one example. The pixel with d8 distance is less than equal to 2 from x comma y. X comma y is the center point from the following contours of the constant distance. The pixel with d8 is equal to 1 are the 8 neighbors of x comma y. The figure showing the pixel with d is equal to 1 are the 8 neighbors of x comma y. Note that the d4 and d8 distance between P and Q are independent of any path that might exist between the points because this distance involves only the coordinates of the point. Then next one is the dm distance. If we select to consider the m adjacency, however, the dm distance between 2 points is defined as the shortest m path between the point. In this case, the distance between two pixels will depend on the values of the pixel along the path as well as the values of their neighbors. For example, consider the following arrangement of pixels and assume that P, P2 and P4 have values 1 and that P1 and P3 can have a value of 0 or 1. Suppose that we consider the adjacency of pixel value 1, that is V is equal to 1. Now to compute the dm between the points P and P4, here we have the 4 cases. First case 1, if P1 is equal to 0 and P3 is equal to 0, the length of the shortest m path, that is the dm distance, is P, P2, P4. What is the case 1? If P1 is equal to 0 and P3 is equal to 0, then the length of the shortest m path, that is a dm distance, is 2, that is P, P2, P4. Then next case is case 2. If P1 is equal to 0 and P3 is equal to 0, now P1 and P will no longer be adjacent. See m adjacency definition. Then the length of the shortest path will be 3, that is a P, P1, P2, P4. Then next case is case number 4. If P1 is equal to 0 and P3 is equal to 1, the same applies here and the shortest m path will be 3, that is a P, P2, P3, P4. Then the last case is case number 4. If P1 is equal to 1 and P3 is equal to 1, the length of the shortest m path will be 4, that is P is equal to P, P1, P2, P3, P4. Here is the 4 case to represent the dm distance between the points. In short, suppose that we consider the adjacency of pixel value 1 if P1 and P3 are 0, the length of the shortest m path between P and P4 is 2. If P1 is 1, then P2 and P will no longer be M adjacent and the length of the shortest M path become 3. The path goes through the point P, P1, P2, P4. Similarly, apply if P3 is 1. In this case, the length of the shortest M path also is 3. Finally, if both P1 and P3 are 1, the length of the shortest M path between P and P4 is 4. In this case, the path goes through the sequence of the points P, P1, P2, P3, P4. It's all about the DM distance. Then the next one is the relationship between the pixels. Our next topic is relationship between the pixel. Here we perform some arithmetic and the logical operations as addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. These are all the arithmetic operations, while the logical operation performs are and, or and complement. First we have to know about pixel. What is meant by pixel? Pixel is the smallest unit of the digital image or a graphic that can be displayed and represented on a digital display device. A pixel is a basic logical unit in the digital graphics. Pixels are combined to form a complete image, video, text, or any visible thing on a computer display. This is all about the pixel. Now we can perform some arithmetic and the logical operations on the pixel. First one is the arithmetic operations is addition. Addition means if we normally add the values of pixel, that is a P plus Q. Subtraction means what? Subtraction is the second one arithmetic operations which perform only the subtractions of the pixel, that is a P minus Q. Then next arithmetic operation is a multiplication. We can multiply the pixel values, that is a P multiply Q. Then last one arithmetic operation is division. We normally divide the pixels value, that is a P divided by Q. These are all about the arithmetic operations. Then the next one is the logical operations. Logical operations between the pixels are and, or and complement. And logical operation includes P and Q. The some logical operations here are and, or and complement. Here and logical operation performs the multiplications of the pixels, that is a P and Q. It performs the multiplication of the pixel values, that is denoted by P and Q. Then the next logical operation is or. It performs addition of the pixel values. It performs the addition of the pixel value in a digital image, that is a P or Q. It is represented by P or Q. Then next one is the complement. Complement means, then the last logical operation is complement. Complement is denoted by not Q, means to change the value or to invert the value, that is 0 is converted into 1 and 1 value is converted into 0, is called as a complement of a pixel. The next one is the neighborhood based arithmetic operation. Then our next topic is neighborhood based arithmetic. Our next topic is neighborhood based arithmetic or logic operation. The value assigned to a pixel at a position E is a function of its neighbor and a set of window function. Then the P is means neighborhood based arithmetic or the logic operation is denoted by P is written as W1A plus W2B plus W33 plus W4D plus W5E plus W6F plus W7G plus W8H plus W9I. It is denoted by summation of WIFI. This is the representation of neighborhood based arithmetic or the logical operations. In short, the summary of this lecture is we are studying about what is meant by pixel, what is meant by adjacency, what is meant by connectivity, what is meant by pixel connectivity, what are the representation of image in terms of pixel, What is meant by path, path length, what is meant by distance, how we can calculate the distance, what is mean by reason, what is meant by boundaries, we all study in this lecture. And we also studied some arithmetic and the logical operations, which are arithmetic operations are and or arithmetic operations are addition, subtraction, multiplication and division, while the logical operations are and or and complement is nothing but not. Addition means to add the pixel values, subtraction means to subtract the pixel value, multiplication operation perform the multiplication of pixel value, division operation perform the division of pixel value, and the logical operations and or not. And logical operation performs the multiplication of pixel values, or logical operations perform the addition of pixel value, while the not logical operation performs the inversion of the value, means invert the value, means 1 is converted into 0 or 0 is converted into 1. This all about the arithmetic and the logical operations of pixel. Then next one is a neighborhood based arithmetic and logic operation. We have already discussed